easy go.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, let's go, man.
Well, yeah.
Yo guys, what's up? It's SDBander22 here again, bringing you another MOTO vlog for the freaking win. It's been so long. We're gonna go ahead and put down our visor.
Okay, just get on the bike. It doesn't matter.
Chill out. It's been a while. I finally got the double T out of the shop, guys, because if you remember, GTR ran me over a while back at the Fleeco Bank. Right off the highway of Los Santos, got ran over by a GTR. I was just admiring the damn thing and got ran over. So, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head up to Sandy Shores, then Grapeseed, then Polito. So, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip a Yui and hop on the highway over here. We're gonna do some illegal stuff, but
okay, or illegal. Okay.
Alright, we need to get on this highway right above us. Isn't that like right by the vanilla unicorn? Oh shoot! Huh, what's the coincidence of us coming right up beside these guys, really?
Yeah, but they have like big bikes. Yeah.
Alright, so, how you guys doing? Alright, so, guys, I wanted to let you guys know while we're sitting here, if you want to pull up right beside me and talk with me, I'm gonna start.
Point out, what is that guy wearing for shoes? To the left of us?
What?
Look what he has. He has like flip flops.
Yeah, because they're shoes. Yeah, they're dumb.
I know,
God,
right?
now I'm gonna have to censor that
that
out. I'm trying to monetize this video and make money off it, so. Anyways, guys, guess what? I'm gonna start daily uploading now, guys. So, yeah. It's been pretty fun. If this video gets 10 views within 3 days and 1 like, I'll do 2 videos a day. Or at least try to get 2 videos a day out. Alright, let's get to the vanilla unicorn. I think we can get right on the highway, right beside the vanilla unicorn, right? Alright.
Yeah.
How you guys been? Let me know in the comments below how you guys have been. And if you guys got any stories about biking. You good? Who hit you?
That car hit me. Yeah.
You okay? You need to get into the turning lane, bro.
I am.
I'm gonna pull up here because we're allowed to. Isn't this not technically legal, bro? Like we can do this.
I have an illegal horn, so I can't honk very much. This
Wait,
is
do
mine.
you have a wait? What do you have? A truck horn? What? Did you get that off of her truck? Yeah. Vanilla unicorn.
Yeah, actually. I used to own the big rig.
Oh yeah, I used to. Well, it's really paying off, but you know.
I still load one. I just bought another. I told my company that it broke.
Bro, I want to get the new Tesla one. Did you hear about that? It can go 0 to 60 with like in like 6 seconds or something, right?
Yeah.
That thing's crazy. Oh!
Not on my screen. We're good.
On my screen, I 1050, dude. We even go. I'm pretty sure we're going the right way, right? Yeah, we're going the right way.
Well, if we want to pull over it.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
Stop. Oh, let's stop up at the 24/7.
Oh my god!
Oh.
That dude's
What, chase that guy
almost
down?
10. They almost killed me. Oh god, say freaking city drivers. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and head up the 24/7. I'm gonna edit this part, so I'll see you guys later. And we are back, guys, and not so well. Yeah, you know what it is. Alright, we're gonna head, we stopped at Sandy. We're gonna go ahead and head through Grapeseed. Well, we're gonna pass Grapeseed up to get on the highway, but we're not gonna go through it or anything.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some gas really quickly.
Let's go through Grapeseed. I said we go through.
But what's there to see? It's
I like
a
Grapeseed.
crappy little town though.
I have something to see.
Alright, let's go ahead.
Oh, I'm gonna go. Let's go up through Grapeseed. I want to show some. Hey.
Well, maybe I don't want to see some. Watch out for them two Priuses.
Why are you on the wrong side of the road?
I'm not on the wrong side of the road. I don't know what you're talking about.
You drunk or swerving?
No, I was doing swerving purposely. I always do swerving. Every time I ride a bike, I always do swerving.
What are you trying to do? Traffic. Trying to slow down the traffic?
Come on. My friend had to leave me. Just because his bike actually died. Not gonna lie, his bike died. So, I took him. I got it. Someone nicely picked up him and his bike, and they're taking him to BC Customs. So, yeah, let's hope that they give him a good deal. I think he knows someone or something up there. So. Alright, let's just go. I think I'm gonna screw around though, honestly, on this highway. I want to pop the longest wheelie ever on a highway, so we're gonna do that. See, well, let's see how fast we can go first. And it's so foggy this morning. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and slow down. Oh. You probably saw me from a mile of freaking away. And completely, yeah, he knows to go. Oh man, I didn't see him hiding there, but whatever. Alright, well, let's go ahead and whip up the visor. I didn't see him hiding there. Oh, hello, sir. Oh, you're quick.
Do you know what?
This is what happened to your face, bud.
I was in the shootout. Okay.
Oh. I'll make sure to put a donation in next time for you. Okay, anyways.
Do you know what I pulled you over today?
Actually, I have no clue, officer.
What about what? Let's see. Half a mile back, I'd say.
What'd I do?
I saw you speeding and kind of
sh-
doing a few wheels.
Well, guys, we screwed up. Huh.
So, got your license and registration?
Yeah, let me grab it. Alright, here you go. My name's Mason Bender.
Thank you.
Alright, guys. We'll be back.
Okay, and well, sir, you have no warrants, all clean, no flags. You do
Okay.
want CCW,
Yeah, I do. I
right?
have that. Yup, I got that. I even got it
Can I
on
see
me if
that?
you'd like me to show you. Yeah.
real quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want the gun too? That I have on me?
I'll take both the registration and the gun.
Okay. I don't have the registration on me just because I'm on the bike, but I can give you the gun and stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just search it. Okay.
Right here.
Thank
It's right here,
you.
sir.
Oh.
Alright, there you go, officer.
All,
Until you're out of okay.
all good.
Hey, what's up? Hey, do you care if I
all good.
do you care if I keep my your face in here?
Go ahead.
Okay, cool. Alright, am I all good,
Well-
officer? Can I take
Oh
off?
wait. Yes, you're good. Just
Okay. Okay,
keep it
thank you.
clean. Oh, and one other thing. Do you
What?
have your license plate on here?
Yeah, I keep it on my bag. In my bag
Okay.
usually because it
Can
doesn't
you see
have
that?
a mount.
Verification.
Yeah, let me grab it out of my bag. Alright, I'm just gonna add this. Alright,
Okay, here you go.
Alright, thanks.
Well, get on with your day.
Alright, have a good day. Holy crap, never have had that happen before. As soon as he passes by, I'll go. That's a nice Vic. Like an unmarked? Well, whatever. Make sure he's not coming out. Pop this freaking wheelie, guys. Alrighty, guys, we're back. We made it at the Polito finally. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this right here. They're cool with it. I actually asked them. So yeah. That was pretty fun, not gonna lie. That was a hell of a lot of fun to be doing that. So I think I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!